Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I will show you how to set up Windows 11 on this laptop without using a Microsoft account. So first of all, do not connect to the internet, and if you already did that, then either turn off the router if you are able to do that, or alternatively you can leave the place and go somewhere else where the signal of the router is unreachable. Once you do that, you have to use the special combination of keys, which is SHIFT and F10. So use these two buttons, press them simultaneously, SHIFT and F10, in order to enable the CMD process. Now press Alt-Tab to switch to CMD, like this. And now in this CMD window, input OOBE backslash bypass and arrow. Input this command, then press enter to confirm, and then wait until your laptop restarts. Okay, and let's begin the setup process from now. First, select the language that's right for you, then click next right here. Then select the right country or region for you and click yes. Then select the keyboard layout, then click yes, and if you want to add a second keyboard layout, tap add layout right here. But you can also do this later in settings, and if you want to skip this step, just click skip. Now read and accept the user agreement to continue. Now enter your name and click next. And if you want to, you can add a password right here, but you don't have to do that. So you can simply click next. Now choose some privacy settings for your device. I usually go with location and find my device features because they allow your device to be easily tracked in case it gets lost or stolen, and you can also get the location-based experiences like weather and directions and news. Now for the diagnostic data, this option collects your data for research in Microsoft. Inking and typing is basically the same thing, but with inking and typing data, and the tailored experience is basically the same thing but for browsers. So you can check each option for yourself and decide what's best for you, and once you're content with your choice, click accept. Then wait a moment. And in a while the setup will be complete. And at this point the setup process is finished. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.